What is up, everybody? Weston here, waiting on my friend Eric to get down here. Today we are going to be installing a aftermarket catback on his daily driver Mk7. Whenever he gets here, we'll actually, speak of the devil, he's calling right now. Whenever he gets here, we'll go ahead and get started. Sorry about that, I had to answer the phone, but yeah, whenever he gets here, we'll go ahead and put that exhaust on. If you already watched this video, I just got done filming it 5 minutes ago. So I'm wearing the same t-shirt and glasses and pants as whenever I recorded this. It's not that I'm wearing the same clothes on a different day. It's just been 5 minutes since the last video. Just gonna go ahead and sit here, bored out of my mind, waiting for him. And whenever he gets here, we'll get to it. All right, guys. Ooh, what do I hear? What's up, man?
Real dirty, man. What's up? What's up? Is that the YouTubes?
That's the YouTubes.
What up,
man.
the YouTubes?
This is like the first time I ever recorded in front of someone else. Like, it's gonna be weird.
Do you not know what to do with your hands?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Do you want me to pull this in, or you want to pull this in?
I can pull it in. I kind of want to wash it off. It's real dirty.
I don't think the YouTubes is gonna care if it's real dirty.
I don't know. Let's just spray it off.
Okay, we can spray it off. We'll pull it in.
Where's the water at?
Right here. Pull it right like in next to the Mk5.
All right.
Damn, it really is dirty.
Yeah, I know. Looks like complete ass.
How are you gonna get your car on the internet and bring it like looking like this?
What?
I said, how are you gonna get your car on the internet looking like this?
Yeah, that's why I had to shoot if there was a car wash.
All right, let's watch. I thought we were gonna shoot doing an exhaust. Instead, we're gonna just
wash on my car.
Wash a car.
Putting on some synthwave.
That's how you wash a car. Hey. So that's idle. Rev it. What exactly is this?
Volkswagen Racing Cup Edition catback from Mk7 Golf R. Super light, same thing that they use on all of their race cars. It's gonna be nice. Running this thing in stock class for autocross, so get the lightest catback you can get. It's legal, so here we are.
Just got overnight parts from Germany real quick.
Yeah, damn straight. We really out here.
So it's,
yeah.
this is the part we're taking
Yeah,
off?
so it was actually all hooked together, so I cut it and then put this mid pipe on.
And then we're gonna take this off her A3, and we're gonna take it off this and put it on our A3.
Yeah.
Okay, that's easy enough.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's gonna be tight. I don't know if that diffuser is literally gonna fit under that or not.
I
guess we'll find out.
I don't think it will. We'll see.
Just lower the strap.
I kind of don't really like it. It was like $100. It was cheap, and I was like, that's kind of cool. But
I'll buy it off you. Maybe it'll fit my car. I'm sure we can make it fit.
Sure will.
Hope is irrational.
All right, so we got the exhaust on, super easy. We got just simple V-band clamps. One thing to note, we were wondering what the hell these were. There are little spacers so that the exhaust doesn't hit the cross member. And the saddest thing ever, the diffuser doesn't fit with the new tips. How do you feel about that?
I mean,
So you went from a stock car with a diffuser to now catback and no diffuser.
I mean, the diffuser was a little corny. I just got it because it was real cheap. So these tips, like,
I know.
man, the sound's gonna sell itself. So that's really all that matters.
Yeah, I love, these tips are so high quality.
I know, dude. They're titanium.
That's insane.
Dude, I know. This thing is a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. I'm kind of bummed about that.
I think it's just as heavy as the factory one. It says it's lighter, but I don't know if I believe it.
Milltek though, so it's a good exhaust.
Let's go ahead and we'll drop it down and hear that exhaust note.
Drop it low.
All right, first time starting it. Let's hear it. Dude, you gotta start going to the gym. Coming from me. You wanna roll it back? We could probably roll it back.
I can fit.
Oh, don't do that.
This is comedy gold, people!
You in? You made it? Okay. Good. That's a lot louder.
It's definitely gonna sound better on the street. Volkswagens always sound better when you're actually driving.
Yeah, that does sound a lot louder and a lot better though.
There's some little pops and stuff too, I can dig it.
Alright, let's go for a ride. Ready to send it?
I'm ready to send it.
Layover.
Can't see shit, dude. How do I get out of here?
There's a big rock right there.
A bunch of cones and rocks and
Probably go up that way.
Alright. Young rock.
This road is so much fun whenever you know it.
Yeah, I mean it's gonna take like 500 miles for it to actually open up, so
Pull out of the fiberglass, yeah.
yeah. The turbo definitely feels like it breathes a little more.
Really?
Yeah, because I can hear it more. It's definitely making more noise, so it's crazy. There's not as much back pressure and shit.
Can you see the boost on this one? Does it get spool sooner?
Fuck. I feel like it does, but I'm not 100% sure.
Doesn't even know his own car.
I don't know, man. I'm just driving the other one. No, I don't think this one has boost meter. The TT does. Sorry, gonna mix it up sometimes.
God. That sounds so fucking good.
Does it?
Yeah.
We really out here.
We really out here.
Dude,
doing
that launch
flybys.
was insane.
Did you see that motorcycle going by?
No.
It had a trailer with a casket on it. I can't even make that up.
A motorcycle?
Yeah, I was like, what is this?
That's. These are the kind of things you're gonna see on our YouTube channel, everybody.
I wish I had recorded it. I was like so dumbfounded. I just saw it. I like, no, I missed it. I was literally like, what is this? And I was like, oh my God. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Just like that, we put the exhaust on, we're leaving.
Later, man.
Later.
I guess I'll smell you later.
I can smell your exhaust pretty bad right now.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
All right, well, I guess that's installing a
That's
Mark
it. That
7R.
was real awesome.
Later.